Hello children, this is the continuation part of the lesson, the best advice I ever had. Okay, in that last part, I hope you all remember, I have told you about one situation. From the in-laws, Vijayalakshmi Pandit did not get any property share, and Gandhiji had advised her to come out of that, mental anguish what she was going through. Okay, let us continue with a few more situations where Mahatma Gandhiji's advice helped Mrs. Pandit to come out of the situations. So, in one situation, after America conference, after some years, she had to go to New York as a leader of the Indian delegation to the United States to complain about the treatment of Indians who were staying in South Africa. So when she was in New York, there she was attending. She carried some complaints about the treatment of Indians who were staying in South Africa. In that conference or in that meeting, both the team had enough of fightings or enough of quarrels, enough of arguments, I can say. Enough of arguments both the parties had. And also what happened in that, both the parties had a personal attacks also, which was completely not necessary. Yes, when they were in a point, they had a point or they had an issue to talk, but they started talking personally. They started attacking personally. So the next day, Vijayalakshmi Pandit thought about those personal attacks and decided to tell the opponent team leader not to continue the same. She did not like, and she remembered the advice which was given by Gandhiji was means are as important as the end. So the intention what they had, they just have to talk about that instead of doing any personal attacks. So she directly told the opponent leader, and after finishing the meeting, before leaving the room, before leaving the committee, she asked apology to the opponent team leader that please excuse me, please apologize me if I was rude in my talk. But the opponent leader shook her hand. Shook is a past tense of shake. Okay, shook her hand and told warmly that he did not have any complaint. There also she was felt so relaxed, so free, out of free mind, by conveying what she had thought in her mind. Okay, there also Gandhiji's advice helped her a lot. And later, once what happened, she called the Great Britain Prime Minister and a Lady Aden to the dinner party at her home, at Mrs. Pandit's home. Okay, she planned very well. Dinner she planned very well. But what happened? The cook of her home, instead of serving the food on the dining table, after cooking, he was drunk. Okay, he started dancing, singing and beating the beats on the table and all. So she got so much angry by seeing that, because the Great Britain Prime Minister was at her home as a guest along with the Lady Aden. But this cook, instead of serving the food, he was misbehaving, by drunk. He was drunk and misbehaving. So she was so much, she got angry. Mrs. Pandit got angry. And in that situation also, she remembered the advice which was received from Gandhiji. That is, if you lost control we would only hurt ourselves. Isn't it, children? It is applicable to you all also. In a angry, we will not be knowing what a human being can do. Yes, when we lost our conscience, when we lost our temper, it can go to any range. We will not be in that control, in that conscious. So the first and foremost thing is we have to control ourselves when we are angry. So even Mrs. Pandit also could able to manage herself, could control herself only because of the Gandhiji's advice. She controlled her anger and she told other servants and other cook to serve the food on the table. Okay, so while having the food with her guests, she explained these things happened to me. Instead of serving the food, my cook was drunk and he was dancing. So the guests, just they just crack a joke there. If this was the food your cook can serve when he is drunk, what he can serve when he is polite? Okay, so by listening to this, Mrs. Pandit laughed out and she also relaxed herself by laughing. She no she lost her anger. Her anger went away. Okay, there also Gandhiji's advice helped her. So she always will be recalling, she was always recalling one advice, that no one can harm you but yourself. No one can harm us all the time. That is very true. No one can harm us. Until unless we control ourselves and our emotions, nobody can harm us. Okay. So these are the advices which was received by Mrs. Pandit by Gandhiji, which helped her a lot to come out of many awkward situations. Okay, hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Please go line by line. Definitely you will connect whatever I have told. This is an article, this is an essay. I made it into a story type and I made it you all easy to understand. Okay, please go line by line, read line by line. You will definitely able to understand. Okay, thank you.